Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone battery draining fast after update. So guys, if you are using iPhone and have updated your iPhone to latest iOS version 17, and guys, after updating your iPhone you have the problem that iPhone battery draining fast. So guys, simply you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, to fix many of features, Apple team has been launched a new version, that is iOS 17.1. So guys, after doing this update iOS 17.1, all the features will be working fine. So guys, how can you update? Simply you need to open your settings, and guys, after this, first of all you need to connect with strong internet connection, and guys you need to click on general and click on software update. And guys, here you will find new version iOS 17.1, and guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing this you need to do some settings. So guys, you need to open your settings again, and guys you need to click on general, and here is the option of iPhone storage. So guys, from here you need to delete the apps that you are not using in your iPhone, or you need to delete or you need to offload these apps that you are not using. And guys, after doing this you need to background app refresh, and guys after doing this. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.